I just had another thought, not to throw another wrench in. This is based on a whole course. Our courses take up several CRNs. So if I'm just looking at one CRN, I'm going to get a snapshot of 8 weeks or 4 weeks, or I mean, I just had a CRN that was 3 days. So how am I going to reconcile? It's going to be a little challenging to reconcile which week is what. I guess I'll have to play with that.
Well, what do you mean, Brian? Your auto courses they're 8 or 9 weeks, aren't they?
They're 13 weeks basically.
Okay.
52 instructional days, but several CRNs.
You've got a 3-day course, Brian?
Yeah, we had my course I'm teaching right now. I had 3 days on one CRN. I got the summer CRN, and I'm going to get 3 days in fall. So I'm going to have one class of students that's going to be with me 3 semesters, 3 CRNs.
Okay, but normally, let's just take that one aside. When you teach a 13-week class, where are the multiple CRNs? Because I don't ever remember auto.
Yeah, because of how we do, usually I have a class that goes from between more than one semester, depending on when we cycle. So I've had some past that are one, but a lot of times, because we might finish up in May, so now I got a CRN for a month and then go into summer. So this is unusual. I got 3, but I have a lot of them with 2.
I see what you're saying. So your class is essentially not finishing in that semester.
Right. So then we'd have to get a new CRN, because I'm like, if we're cycling a week, like we did 3 days before the semester changes, or 2 weeks before the semester change, because we're cycling in January, for example.
I got you.
We got to give them, we're on one CRN then another.
That's fine. Just if you could just tell us that there are 2 CRNs and like one starts here and then this is the one that continues it, we can still pull it up. That's fine.
And that way I can get 13. That way I can get the full week for that group of students. Okay.
Oh, that makes sense. We can do that.
Perfect. Let me take a look after a little bit of research, make sure I hit a set of CRNs that go together.
Thank you. All right, that's it for me. Jesus.
Yeah,